Want to know how to add or change your phone number in wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish application or your website. So the process is simply same. And now once you've done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing a profile right here. Just simply hover on it. And once you've hovered on it here, you should be seeing view profile. Just simply select view profile right here. And you should be seeing edit profile right besides here. Just simply select edit profile. And now once you have done that, here you should be seeing account settings. So make sure you're under account settings right here and scroll down until you see phone number. So it should be right beside or below password. And once you see phone number, here you should be seeing get reset key to change your phone number. So by default, no matter if it's your first time putting up your phone number, you need to get a reset key or an OTP code. So just simply type it in your phone number and then select get reset key. And once that is done, your phone number should be changed, and if it's new, it should be added as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.